people have met me, but there are some that I recall that I'd aspire to be. The type of person that can never do no wrong. The type of person that inspired me in this song. My name's not Sharon, don't call me Darren, or even Karen, just call me Alan. I remember I was a kid, Alan Wells could run so fast, and on Tuesday at 9 PM Alan Alda was in MASH. And then there's Titchmarsh planting roses in his yard, or Alan Jones will ask you for your co-op card. My name's not Sharon, don't call me Darren, or even Karen, just call me Alan. That you always can rely. I've never met one that I didn't really like. My name's not Sharon, don't call me Darren, or even Karen, just call me Alan. There's Alan Sugar, he loves his mother, and Alan Davis,